Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the jobs list in SmartRecruiters. Whether you're looking for a full overview or trying to focus on specific jobs, the jobs list gives you the flexibility to find what you need. To access jobs from your homepage, you can click on All Active Jobs, or anywhere in the system, head to the Jobs tab in the top navigation. Here, you'll see a list of all the jobs you have permission to view. Administrators will see every job in the system. Recruiters and hiring managers will typically only see jobs they're assigned to, but this depends on their system role and permissions set up in your SmartRecruiters instance. At the top of the page, you'll find the search bar. You can start to type any keyword, like a job title, and the list will update instantly. You can also use the Show Jobs menu to filter by job status. So perhaps I want to see all jobs, active jobs, or just my active jobs. So only the jobs where I'm on the hiring team or I was an approver. I can also look for just published, filled, or cancelled jobs. You can use the filters across the top for more control. So as standard, I can filter by department and location, job status, and hiring manager. Underneath the More option, there are additional options available for me. So perhaps I'm interested in filtering by recruiter or application status, for example. As soon as you select an option, you'll be prompted to select any additional details as needed. And then you can select the Apply button and your view will update accordingly. To remove the filter to reset your view, you simply click the cross sign and it will take you back to the full view. You can use the sort menu to choose how your list of jobs is displayed. So either alphabetically by job title, recent activity, which is based on actions from the hiring team, or creation date from newest to oldest. In the list of jobs itself, we can see key details about the job at a glance. So we have the job title and its location, the current job status and its posting visibility, along with the ref ID and the date created. We can also see the recruiter and hiring manager along with a candidate pipeline. To the far right-hand side, there are quick actions available, such as unpublishing a job or putting it on hold. And for any published jobs, you'll see the boost icon, which allows you to purchase paid postings through the marketplace. If a job has yet to be published, you'll see the publish icon so that you can quickly navigate to go ahead and publish your job. On the right side of each job, you see the mini pipeline showing how many candidates are in each stage, from new through to hired, as well as any leads. You can also hover over stages to see any sub-steps available and the candidates that are in them. So for example, with this offered stage here for my store manager, I have 2 candidates currently sitting in create offer and 3 sitting in offer pending. You can navigate through to either the job record or the group of candidates by selecting the job title to take you through to the job, or a pipeline stage to jump straight into that pool of candidates. So that's how we can use the job list in SmartRecruiters. Thank you for watching this video.